We're going to start with these staggering new numbers and the rising cost of the city's migrant crisis. Aldermen today got an update on the current conditions and the challenges that lie ahead. But one item that was on the agenda did not happen. Investigative reporter Bennett Haeberle joins us now with what was and was not discussed in City Council today. Bennett?
Yeah, Stefan, we were expecting to hear from Favorite Healthcare Staffing, that Kansas-based company that's been paid millions to staff the city's shelters, but they didn't testify. Tonight, we've learned the mayor's office plans to use $79 million in COVID relief funds to help pay for costs associated with Favorite.
We've heard reports of inadequate food, bed bug and rodent infestations, a lack of containment for infectious diseases.
Noticeably absent from Tuesday's council committee hearing, Favorite Healthcare Staffing. The Kansas-based company was on the agenda, but was not called to testify. The explanation from the committee chair, a lack of timing.
The meeting of the Committee on Immigrant and Refugee Rights is now adjourned.
Despite a nearly 3-hour-long hearing.
That being said, there is going to be a meeting scheduled with our committee and Favorite to kind of get a better understanding of what their process is.
Alderman Andre Vasquez says the company could be called to a future hearing. NBC5 Investigates found the company has been awarded another pay increase of $79 million, signed by Mayor Brandon Johnson last week. It now brings the total value of Favorite's contract to more than $149 million. Shelter conditions have been a concern for both migrants and volunteers, especially in wake of videos like this and the December death of 5-year-old Jean Carlos Martinez Rivero.
It was conflated in many ways that the child died as a result of being in that shelter. There's no evidence to that. We don't know yet why that child passed away, but there is an investigation underway, and as soon as we have that closure, we will be able to share a conclusion to that.
Alders were given an update on the latest figures. There's been a recent lull in the number of buses that arrive at the city's landing zone, just 2 in the past week.
This is an ongoing, effort.
Mayor Brandon Johnson on Monday announced the city would again postpone enforcing its 60-day shelter stay limit policy, meaning thousands of migrants set to be evicted this week will be able to stay in their shelters into the spring. But there are concerns for what may lie ahead. The city is spending $1.5 million a day on the crisis. Of the 14,000 migrants in the shelters, only half, or 7,500 of them, are eligible for housing assistance. And to date, only 1,000 work permits have been issued. Is the city concerned about the real possibility of how many of these people could end up homeless?
We are doing everything to mitigate against increasing numbers of people who are experiencing homelessness. And so as we talk with the state and the county about that, it is a consideration.
And the deputy mayor for immigrants, migrants, and refugees says the city is advocating for what she called more flexible federal dollars that could be used for housing, transportation, and health care costs for migrants. But when and if those dollars arrive is still uncertain. By the way, we did reach out to Favorite about that spending increase. A spokeswoman referred questions back to the mayor's office.
Interesting, Bennett. So I know I'm grateful that you're staying on top of the story, but have we even heard from Favorite up until now?
Up until now, we've asked repeatedly to talk with someone from Favorite. So far, they've declined all of our interview requests.
Okay, we'll see if they have that hearing, if they actually bring them back.
We'll look forward to that.
Okay.
Yes, we will.
Bennett, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Lots of money.